council that
kamiti ya mwanyerera thuthuria kamishna wa kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka bururi-ini Irene Masiti ni cokereirie cikaro ciayo umuthi kuria thikiriirie wira kuma kuri aria marari makamishna kamiti no Prof Abdi Guliye na Boya Molu undu umwe na murugamiriri wa ugitiri mukawa-ini wa Yaya John Nyagara. Hindi ya gikaro giki kamishna Guliye ni ahithuririe uria makamishna na aria ni hamwe na Masiti manyitaga mbaru riendekithia ria guthoga maumirira ma githurano kihituku niguo kwanirira mutongoria wa Azimio Raila Umoja wa Kenya Raila Odinga ta muhotani wa githurano kiu handu-ini ha President William Ruto. Undu uria we na muikariri giti wa Fula Chebukati na kamishna Boya Molu maregire.
So what was the Commissioner Irene Masiti's position in that debate?
Now, 4 of the commissioners, including Commissioner Masiti, they had protested and that the results should be changed in the light of the NSAG delegates' communication.
So
that the
changed by who? By you people, the commissioners?
The commissioners to change.
So what you're saying is that Commissioner Irene Masiti and others wanted you to
moderate
usurp
and
the will
change.
of the people.
Yes.
And change the results.
Yes.
Yes, let's go on.
That the 2 of them, particularly Masiti and Wanderi, were of the view that the results should be pushed towards aria.
Kuringana na Guliye na Molu aria mareketie gutiga wira ta makamishna kamiti ino ya IEBC riendekithia ria guthoga maumirira ma githurano ria heanitwo ni aria mari amemba kanju ya ugitiri wa bururi aria uria wari mwandiki wa afishini ya President Kennedy Kihara, Solicitor General Ken Nogeto, uria wari munene wa borithi Hilary Mutyambai na General Francis Ogola.
As an alternative, in the event that we do not announce whoever they wanted us to announce, then the message was that we should have a runoff, or we should ensure there is a runoff.
So they need us to be candid and clear. Did they have a person they wanted you to announce?
Yes.
Who was that?
Honorable Raila.
And in the event you don't announce, did they tell you what should be done?
To do a runoff.
To do a runoff.
Yes.
Prof Guliye ningĩ nĩ ahithuririe ũrĩa macereirwo nĩ maabitha nene a ngwatanĩro ya Azimio ta Rafael Tuju, Amos Wako na Chalo Bobo kũgeria kũmathingĩrĩria gũthoga maumĩrĩra ma gĩthurano. Akiuga ĩno nĩ njama yabangĩtwo kwa ihinda iraya ũndũ ũrĩa wacũngĩrĩirie kamishna Masiti na aruna ake kũmatiganĩria na gũthiĩ Serena.
Is it possible to do, basically to get a document and walk the podium, you're not being given even like 1 day, 4 hours to read the document? Is it possible to do it? I don't know. How long does it take to go through a 500-page document?
My understanding is that the 500-page document was a document that we were part of in creating it, or during the verification process of the 6 days. And so it's not a document that is coming from nowhere.
Mwena-ini wake murugamiriri wa ugitiri mukawa-ini wa Yaya John Nyagara ekirire mukonde ati kamishna Masiti na aruna ake makomaga mukawa-ini ucio kwa ihinda riria riarumirire kwanirirwo kwa maumirira ma githurano na maceragirwo ni atongoria a kiuteti ihinda-ini riria mari mukawa-ini ucio. Girivotera Kameme TV, Jitagwo Mwaura, Wagunya.